right, guys, welcome back. Be working on this vehicle. I want to do a little bit of product playing or testing, however you will. The doors have been failing with their hydrophobics. Just coming short, it's wearing off, the beads are bad. So I'm going to help them, and I'm going to use the Poor Boys World Strip Down. We're going to go ahead and do a couple sprays of that, wash them, rinse them, spray them. We're going to kill some more. And then I want to come back and see about this Jescar ceramic spray wax. I haven't used it. It says, you know, ceramic SiO2 formula, long life, paint protection, streak-free, water-beating, slick finish. Pretty cool. Now you can use this as a standalone or as a topper. Of course, it says to clean the panel for best results. Now, they say clean the panel if you have swirls and scratches. Go ahead and polish it with their polish. So by cleaning the panel, that's one way. You're like totally stripping it down. Or I'm just going to clean the panel of what we have today, and I'm going to strip it chemically and until I really don't see too much beading or hydrophobic reaction anymore. And then I'm going to apply this, and we'll come back and see. I'm supposed to give it 24 hours before I wash it. I'm not going to really wash it, but I will re-wet it so we can see the beading on it. I'll give it some time to sit there, 20-30 minutes though. All right, guys, let's get with it. These products, we got them over at, you know where, autoforge.net. Check them out, get some products, play, have fun. That's what we do. We have fun and we test. So if you want all kinds of different brands, products, polishes, compounds, whatever, sealants, that's where you go, Autoforge. All right, I'm shaking up Poor Boys World Strip Down. I'm not even going to show you what the beading is like right now. I'm just going to go ahead and start spraying. I'm going to spray down both doors. Give them some good saturation. We're in the shade here, so I have a little bit of time. Set you guys up on the tripod. All right, so we've got that sprayed. Let's get a wash mitt here. Let's go ahead and rub it in. Flip it around. Let's rub this side in. And we'll do this a few times, guys. Now rinse this. So right away, this door still has very good hydrophobics, but this one is dead. Totally dead. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this door because this one is gonna take too long to break that down. I'll have to go over it. This one, it's already dead, guys. And let me bring you in close just so you guys can see it. The water just sits on there all the way down. There is no hydrophobics. This would be the other door. You can see how hydrophobic that is. Even the bottom panel. And actually that one is coated with Pro Wax. That's their coating over there. This had their spray sealant, and it lasted a good 6 to 8 months, I think. I don't remember, but this is why it's not a coating. It's just their spray sealant, and now it's dead. So that totally is the reason in the difference there. Their ceramic coating is doing well, though. Let's get on this panel. All right, so let me go ahead and dry this. That way I don't get any water spots here, because we have hard water where I'm at. Vegas in general has terrible water. All right, there we go. Guys, we got this cool towel from Car Pro. They sell this. It's a one-sided drying towel, but it does work very well for nice, quick use. It's lightweight, it's thin, and it just maneuvers very well. All right, guys, the car is ready. We got our Jescar ceramic spray wax. Now this is uh, wax infused with ceramic. That seems to be the thing now. So everyone's going with wax infused ceramic. I like that. It doesn't bother me at all. Some people want no wax in it. This is fine because it goes over your coating, or it goes right on after you cleaned and polished. But this is the thing. If you clean and polish the vehicle, right, and then you put this on there, this product, even though it says long life paint protection, from the manufacturer says up to 3 months. So I'd say it's probably 2 months worth of real decent protection. A month and a half to 2 months, and you're gonna see it start to fail after 2 months, right? And it'll still be on there after 3 months. But they're telling you it's 3 months. So if you're gonna polish and compound and everything, I wouldn't put this on if it's only gonna last that. You know, that's when you put that coating on there. But for a topper, in between, once again, these type of products are fantastic because after every wash, you could use it. After every couple washes, once a month, you could use this, and it's going to layer on top of itself, and it will keep layering. So that's the key to these sprayable waxes. On top of that, the shine and the slickness on most of these products is there, especially after cure. I mean, it's fantastic, and that's really what I like, is shine and slickness. The protection I know is going to come off. Is it going to be instantly hydrophobic? They mostly are right away until you start hitting them with some chemicals, some crazy wash product. Then it'll eat them up. But you're going to put this on afterward anyway, and it's real easy. They're all sprayables. So let's get to it, guys. That's my thoughts. All right, so here's the vehicle. Here's my towel. Either you want to spray, shake it up. Either you can spray the towel real nicely, or you can go ahead and spray the door there, all right? And normally, you can use 2 towels if you want. You can use 1. Let's rub it in. Now, does this smell as good as Jescar Refresh? That's that killer scent. It does smell as good as that, but it's not as strong. It's not floating around me in the air. I really got to get up to it and put my nose in there. So Jescar Refresh, pow. This is like a 10th of that scent, but it smells the same. Very good smelling like that. All right, so let's get back to it. Let's rub it in. Now, just rubbing this in, I'm not tricking it off yet. I'm rubbing it in. I can feel it is slick on application, not even takeoff yet. I'm not doing anything to take it off yet. I'm in the sun. I'm in the shade, not in the sun. The panel is not hot, and this is how we want to apply it. So let's flip this towel over. Oh my gosh. Is it ever so slick underneath the towel? Now, I'm not messing with you guys. If you want to feel instant gratification, this underneath the towel is where it's at. Wow. All right, so I took it off. I took it off. It's slick. I'm gonna give it, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes to set up on there. You don't want to wash this for 24 hours. I'm gonna give it some time. Holy moly. Oh, bro, seriously, slick. Jescar's coming out with some stuff, man. Jescar's coming out. All right, let me give it 15, 20 minutes, and then I'll bring the hose and I'll throw some beading on there. You guys look up the product. In the meantime, check it out, or get ready for any questions. Go ahead, put them down right now, and I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm in here relaxing, getting a massage here in the massage chair. I'll be out there when it's done, about 15 minutes. All right, guys, I feel good. That massage was nice, and I kind of see what these companies are doing now with these ceramic wax infused sprayable infused wax deals. They're taking away our old school hand waxing products, and they're just making it easier. You know, there's no need anymore for those old school hand wax products unless you really love doing it. I do like that, but they're just making it easier and simple to use. So let's check this out. Let me turn on the water here. All right, so if you guys remember, we had 0 water beading, 0 hydrophobics. Let's see. Oops, let me fix this here. Jesus. So here, it runs right off. Let me switch camera. All right, I'm on video here. Look at how fast that runs off now. Very nice. Let's check the beading here. Okay, you've got some definite hydrophobic behavior. Before there was absolute zero. But are the beads that pretty? You guys, I don't think they're that pretty. But definitely hydrophobic behavior. And you got to remember, it's only been 20 minutes since I applied this, all right? Got to give it 24 hours. But I'm not washing, I'm just adding some water. But I don't really think that this is going to change. But you can already see that we've added plenty of hydrophobic behavior. Yes, this is what it should look like for up to 3 months of protection. And I really don't care that it's not that amazing beading. I mean, of course, that's always nice. But what I care about at this point, because I know what I'm putting on, is a spray wax, right? Ceramic infused. But what I'm really wanting is, yes, that right there. That slickness. I'm wanting that gloss, that reflection. That's what I want. All right, guys, thanks for watching with this short video. We started off with Poor Boy Strip Down. I wanted to really strip the panels down. We found one that was dying, so we used the Poor Boys. We did some spraying on there, let it sit, agitate it with some soap and water. We rinsed it. The panel was dead. From there, we went ahead and used ceramic wax, ceramic spray wax from Jescar. This is a ceramic infused sprayable wax. It's going to give you up to 3 months. I'm going to say a good 2 months worth of protection. The beading is a 5 out of 10, maybe 6 at best. What it excels at is slickness. It's a 12 out of 10. The gloss, well, so far it's probably about a 9 out of 10 on there. And the scent, well, that's about a 3 or 4 out of 10. But it is a fantastic product. You can use it as a standalone or as a in-between topper, weekly maintenance, bi-monthly, bi-weekly, every 2 weeks, in other words. It doesn't matter. It's really easy to apply and take off. 24-hour cure time. Now, they also have this one that I like, Paint Refresh. This is kind of their waterless wash, so you would use this to clean over that. This smells fantastic. This will help boost that. What do you want to put underneath this? You can use, they have Jescar Power Lock, so you can put that down first, let that cure, and then you can boost that with this, and then you can maintain with this. So they've got a fantastic system over at Jescar. Guys, we'll come back to this panel. We'll be keeping an eye on it. The new thing is these sprayable, infused, sprayable waxes there. So hope you guys liked the video. Go over to autoforge.net if you want to check out any of these kind of products. And really like the Jescar lineup. Fantastic. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later.